So guys, now we are cooking matoke, and I'm going to cook it in a local way. You can see how it is here. So what I have to do is to cut them first. Because of the gum, I'll have to put them in water, and then you rinse it in water to keep away the gum. After cutting the matoke, I have to add put the leaf from the banana leaf so that the gum doesn't spoil the sufuria. So we have to wash it carefully. After that, I cover the sufuria, but I have to add some water. So we are remaining with putting them on the fire, and we cook them in our local way. Yeah. So remember last time we used this method here. So I usually cover it with the iron. But we usually put it here, and it is very wet, so I have to put the dry leaves, and then we have to put on the fire. So yeah. This is from unga, from maize flour. Usually, if you want to put on the fire, you have to use the dry paper so that the fire will be on so quickly. This is how we put a fire on here at the village. It's to deal with smoke. Yeah. So you have to put it. Wow. Like that, and then we shall wait it to be ready in some time. Yeah. See where the smoke is gone. Wow. Yeah. So today is another time that we are cooking with this outside chico here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, I'm outside here today. I want to share with you a very nice video here at the village. This is my home village. That's why I have to share you a little bit of my home so that you wanna drop a comment. There are those ones who are near, maybe I don't know. You drop a comment as to how you see my home. Yeah, that is it. Because of the lid is not holding it nicely, so I have to put a stone on top. We have to put a stone on top like this. This is how we do it here. You have to put a stone on top so that the moisture will not go outside. You continue putting the lakini wako rusibiche gose nabatira ngene
irenga bone
ana. So guys, here at the village you can see this is sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki here in the village, this is the best food that we have, but then the soil was so bad, that's why we do mulching, putting the dry leaves on top so that they will not dry up. So this one here has not finished even 1 month. And now we are not going to buy any sukuma wiki like so all the time I love to show you sukuma wiki because this is our stable food here at the village. Also we have neighbor grass, also matoke here, but they are not ready. So also we have tea leaves here in the village. Here at my home, this is where people get the stable food from. Like here we plant 2 leaves and the bud here like this, and you have to do it while it is standing. That's why I love to show you. Maybe you will enjoy the video here. So what's up guys, here your girl Grayscale Mission. Here I am at the village showing you how our village looks, and I am at our garden here. This is what is our garden tea leaves. Our garden tea leaves, they are those ones who are my new subscribers, my new people, my new friends that don't know whether we have this one here. That's why I am showing you around. And this one here we have cut it because the yield was not, the production was bad, so that's why we cut it like this so that it will start afresh when the yield is bad, all the production is bad. That's how we cut it. There is a video that I had done. That's a video that I had done cutting the tea leaves. Those ones, so go watch the video. This was an amazing day because I cannot show you where we usually come from, what you are supposed to do if you are at the village. So this is how it looks here. And here we have avocado. Let me show you the avocado. This one there is the avocado tree, but I know that it's not, they are too small. They are too small. The yield is not that good. Yeah. So when there was so thunderstorm, that's why you see it like this. The yield is so bad because of the thunderstorm, because it was like, it rained like 3 times the thunderstorm, so the yield was so bad. So that's why it made us even to cut the tea leaves because of the bad production. Maybe sometimes you find that you are doing a little bit of, you are waiting for the till salsa cannot come up. So here we have the wafa tree here. These are the wafa tree. Yeah. The thing that happened here, you can see here, someone has filled a tree and it happened like this, like it spoiled all the tea leaves, like it fall on top of these tea leaves. And there we had we have a banana there. Also, I have to show you the sugar cane because it's rare today. We don't have sugar cane. Like some people came and destroyed everything. Like they were hungry and destroyed all the sugar cane. Now we don't have sugar cane, even a single one. Let me show you what they did, because and sometimes you may think that things are good down here, but it's not that good. Let me show you. It's not that good. See how the sugar cane is. Those are the small ones that have been left here. We don't have even, they destroyed everything. Like, you know, people are not good here at the village. Sometimes they can do anything they want to do. They don't even ask that, can I have sugar cane? They just destroy it like that, because they say that I'm hungry and they cannot walk here without the going and leaving the sugar cane behind. So you can drop a sweet comment if this is how your village looks. The time now is like 2, that's why you see it, it's like this. You see it like this. The time now is 2 like. So thank you always for being here. For my returning subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Support your girl. Talking live from the village. Hope you continue supporting me. I'm bringing amazing videos from here at the village. Thank you so much. Continue watching until the end. This is how our village looks, and we appreciate. Even if we get small, that is it. We cannot complain here. So after cutting it, you saw I showed you from earlier. After cutting it, this is how it looks here. The yield starts again, and then the production is now going to be high because you are going to pluck it like 3 a month when you have cut it. This is how it comes on. So it comes up. You will now start plucking like 3 a month, and you will enjoy the production. That's what I can say. Like, so you can drop a comment if this is how your place looks, the place of living, the village, like how your village is like. Yeah. Let me show you what I got. This is what I got. This is sugarcane, a small one, you know, and I just spoiled it because it's not supposed to be removed while it is like this, but I felt like I should have one, so I got this one like. Yeah, so this is the village. I found it here. Yeah, they're not that big, but then I found a small. It's the small tea leaves. If you have planted it, you put a stick so that you will know how many have you planted. That's why they put the stick here. See, these are the small one. You cannot yield from here. This is now starting from 0. Either they grow big or they get dry if you don't put any water. Yeah. All of this side here, we planted tea leaves. See, but they are not that big. They're small, like, yeah. I'm taking you to the side. And you see where. Always, when you have like a plot at the village here, your plots should reach at the river at the side. So the side is over there. So I'll have to go and show you maybe where it is while we go down like this. Yeah, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. This is at our riverside, like. can hear the sound like. When it has rained, you will not pass here because it's so slippery. Yeah. So you are going close like. From here also you have to leave a small road for someone who's coming from up to come this side here maybe. But this water, we usually use it to wash our clothes like. And people usually shower here. People usually shower here. So this is the riverside. I was showing you from up, the way we had come from up. You can hear the noise. Let me show you. Yeah, this is it. This water, we don't drink it. We don't drink this water. It is only for washing maybe. For washing clothes. Also for bathing like. See. This one here goes to Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria like, yeah. Yeah. This is it. This is an amazing video actually. I have shown you around. And that is the sun. That's the rays of the sun. The time now is like, I don't know. I don't have a watch here like, yeah. So what's up guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. The way I've taken your clothes or from at home up to this side here. This is our side here where we do wash our clothes. So I have just come to show you around. So drop a sweet comment if this is how you are. Yeah. Oh, there is something happy like. Drop a sweet comment if this is how your liver looks like this one here. Or how do you spend your day like at the river? Or yeah, this is the village life. Actually, I really appreciate the love that you usually show to me. You are outside there. This is an amazing video, and if you have not subscribed, go do it because that is the best way of supporting me. I hope I may end up this video here. Thank you so much. God bless you. May we continue praying to each other. Bye bye. Hope you have a peaceful time. Ciao ciao. Bye. Yeah.